There's Brent. 519 to Kenora. Vision 519, clearance, good morning. Cleared to Kenora on the BAF to departure. Flight plan alert. Depart runway 17 right. Squawk code 3341. Stand by on the repack, please. Vision 538, continue golf into the apron. Apron discretion of 72. This frequency right to the gate. Okay, golf into the apron. This frequency all the way on WestJet 538, mine. WestJet 8962 heavy, runway 17 right, alternate 3022, taxi out Hotel Delta, turn north on Charlie, contact West Tower, 11848 to go. Okay, Hotel Delta, right onto Charlie, team 4 ready to go, WestJet 8962 heavy. Have a good one, sir. Heavy identifier 516 Bravo. WestJet 8962 heavy, tower line up and wait, runway 17 right. Amend your SID, fly heading 135. The balance is unchanged. Okay, line up and wait, position 17 right at Charlie. Amend heading 135, balance unchanged. WestJet 8962 heavy. Charlie 2 and 219, WestJet. WestJet 8962, report the turn, this frequency, wind is 160 at 10, cleared for takeoff, runway 17 right. Clear takeoff 17 right, we'll let you know both turn, WestJet 8962 heavy.